Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In this video, I am going to be sharing with you some most attractive and beautiful designing ideas of crochet, phone covers and crossbody bags. You will see very attractive and gorgeous designs with long straps and without straps as well. So different kinds of ideas are included in this video and all of them are very unique and beginner friendly, having simple one row or two repeat patterns made with single crochet stitch, double crochet stitch or half double crochet stitch in different covers, and these are having different color schemes as well. Most of the designs are made with contrasting colors, and you can see different contrasting color schemes are used, so you can take an idea about the color schemes as well in this video. And these are all in different sizes, so you can make your own according to your own customized size of your phone. And these most of the designs are started from the bottom in round shape, and simple rounds are proceeded further. Some of the designs are having button closure at top, some of them are without button closure as well, and you will see different kinds of ideas. So just watch this video till the end because you will find almost 40 ideas which are all very unique and different from each other in their color schemes, in their making patterns, and in their shapes, in their styles, and in their sizes as well. You can see some of the designs are having crochet flowers and leaf work for embellishment on them as well, which are also giving an extremely unique and beautiful look. So you can use some textured patterns as well, like this one is having a double crochet post stitch pattern, and very attractive and beautiful lining is made in this pattern. And this one is made with a lacy pattern having shell stitch and chain 3 pattern together. So I hope you're gonna love them all. If you love them, just give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to get more videos like this. And after pressing the red subscribe button, press the bell icon and the all option as well, so that whenever I upload a new video, you can get notifications of each. And share this video with other handmade products in your handmade products lover in your circle. So stay connected. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care of yourself and your family. Remember me in prayers. Bye.